Talley Manufacturing, leading the industry in premium scope mounting systems. Oftentimes, shooters think only of their firearm and scope, and put little importance on scope mounts. Your scope mounting system is the critical link between the scope and firearm. An inferior mounting system can mean poor performance from your rifle and scope combination.
The system is only going to be as good as the joint between the scope and the gun.
Talley's premium scope mounting systems are the strongest, most reliable systems available, period. Talley provides the serious hunter with sleek, lightweight scope mounting systems that can withstand anything you can put them through. Nothing is as tough as a Talley.
The only way that this thing is coming off of your gun is to rip the screws out of the gun.
With Talley, you don't have to worry about misalignment, loose mounts, or constantly resighting your firearm. For over 40 years, Talley Manufacturing has set a standard for superior quality in the firearms industry.
About 40 years ago, our founder, Dave Talley, was building custom rifles for people in the United States and all over the world for that matter. He was building dangerous game rifles, people that were hunting Africa, Alaska, and saw a need for a better scope mount that could withstand the beating and the punishment that an African plains game hunt or a brown bear hunt in Alaska would hand to a rifle and to a hunter. So he came out with a detachable set of rings and bases that was our namesake, and we still manufacture that ring today.
Our willingness to adopt cutting-edge technology in our state-of-the-art facility allows us to continue the quality that the Talley name represents.
We've worked very hard to build a reputation of quality. When people hear the name Talley, it represents the quality product that we manufacture here in South Carolina. The Talley Signature Detachable Rings are our namesake. It's a fantastic system. It will allow you to take the scope on and off of your gun and still retain zero.
Talley quick detachable scope rings are famous for precise tolerances. CNC automated equipment and stringent quality control have vaulted Talley products to the top of the scope ring industry. Simply said, Talley scope rings are the best. Our ring system provides repeatability, flexibility, strength, and durability for the most discriminating of sportsmen. The Talley Quick Detachable System is as strong or stronger than any fixed system available. Guaranteed. Talley Quick Detachable rings are very simple with only one moving part. For a quick detachable system to function properly, it must lock up as solidly as a fixed system. Talley mounts do. Whether you use the lever or the screw lock detachable system, be assured that Talley rings will hold your scope firmly under the toughest of conditions and maintain its zero every time you replace it. The Talley fixed ring system evolved from the Talley Quick Detachable System. This ring setup is for the shooter who prefers the sleek profile of a non-detachable, vertically split ring. It's subject to the same quality control as all Talley products. Using larger screws and no moving parts, this system is as rigid as it looks. Utilizing the same double recoil shoulder base as the detachable rings, the fixed ring system will also stand up to the most brutal of Magnum cartridges. The Talley fixed ring system provides hunters and shooters a very secure ring setup at a reasonable price. Like our rings, Talley scope ring bases are machined from solid bar stock. The double recoil shoulder design of the Talley base holds your scope with absolute rigidity under severe recoil. The base is checked and rechecked by our quality control manager. This is to ensure the best fit possible to your firearm. This base system is required with either Talley Quick Detachable or Talley Fixed Ring.
In late 2004, we introduced a new ring and base onto the market. We coined it as a one-piece ring and base because we actually took the joint out between the ring and base. So the ring and base are all one piece together. Makes for a very strong, very durable, lightweight setup. And we were able to produce this in such a manner that it's very cost effective for the consumer.
The one-piece construction of the Talley lightweight alloy scope mount is unique. This rigid design has no joint between the scope and the rifle. The Talley lightweight unitized design eliminates the possibility of an out-of-alignment interface or loose connection between the ring and base of the traditional two-piece designs. Ultimately, this provides more strength and durability that rival steel rings and bases, but doing it with a lighter overall weight. The Talley lightweight alloy scope mount is the strongest, lightest mounting system on the market.
It goes back to just putting quality products on quality goods. So you have a great scope, you have a great rifle, we need to put great scope rings on it. From anything from 22 rifles all the way to your 458, from your squirrel gun to your Cape Buffalo gun, shotgun to your muzzle loader. We have a scope ring that will suit your needs.
Your rifle and scope combination can only be as good as your scope mounts. Choose the best. Choose Talley. All of our precision products come to you with a 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee.
If you break or maim or destroy a pair of our rings, we'll replace them at no cost. We just want to hear the story of how it happened. You're going to have to replace your gun and your scope and probably part of your hide if we have to replace the scope rings.
We are confident that you will find Talley scope mounts to be the best you'll ever own. Get the most out of the investment in your rifle and scope. Choose a Talley scope mount system. 40 years of strength. 40 years of reliability. Setting the standard for superior quality. Nothing is as tough as a Talley. For more information, call us or check us out on the web at talleyrings.com.